We are talking about prepping and priming the skin ready for an important makeup event. So firstly, you need to exfoliate. Several ways you can exfoliate: bind with a cleanse, you can do a scrub by itself, or you can do a liquid exfoliation. I'm gonna do the first one. Exfoliating gives the skin the nicest, freshest, smoothest canvas to do your makeup on. So next we need to tone.
This step closes the pores and refines the skin.
Next, exfoliate your lips. If you don't have anything like that, you can use your toothbrush. And that will get rid of any dryness, plus plump them. This is Elizabeth Arden's 8-hour cream. You can use anything that is moisturising for the lips. And moisturising can be the next step. Really important to apply it before the skin dries out. However, we're going to do an extra step today. We are going to use a sheet mask. I'll show you how you can do this and do your makeup at the same time. These sheet masks are the best for pre-makeup prep. If it's on 15 minutes, you can do your eyeshadow in the meantime. Time for the sheet mask to come off. You can see how glowy your skin is after that. So you can either let it sink in if you've got dry skin, or just dab off the excess. Then you need to moisturise before your skin dries. With moisturiser, use one that is appropriate for your skin type. If you have an oily skin, please don't think you don't have to moisturise, because you do. Just get an oil-free mattifying moisturiser. If you have really dry skin, also this is a good one. I'm going to use this. It's in loads of professionals kits. Moisturise the skin. So if you've done all that, generally you don't need a primer. However, you can still use one if you really want to stay in power with your makeup. So my favourite one, you can literally just apply it all over the face. And what priming does is it helps foundations and the products adhere to the skin, creates a barrier. This is also a great thing if you have oily skin or a lot of pores, is it just fills in any areas that you want to look really smooth. I'm going to give you an example. See here all the pores. Now if you apply this product in, fills them, but when you put makeup on, it smooths it over. And I'll apply some foundation so you can see the difference. It's literally amazing.
Thank you for watching, and I hope that helps.